This homemade Baileys is going to be a hit wherever you bring it to. Let's make it. We're going to start with 1 cup of whiskey. You can use whatever whiskey you can find. Irish whiskey is preferable, but I'm using Jack Daniel's because this is what I can find. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you're using it all. Scrape the insides. Don't waste anything. Here you can use chocolate syrup. I'm using crème de cacao. 2 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon, or measure with your heart, of cold brew or instant coffee. 1 teaspoon of almond extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or measure with your heart. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then to cut the thickness, you're going to add in about a half a cup of whole milk. Blend that well for about 30 seconds. Then you're just going to go ahead and pour that into a jar. I'm just using a regular mason jar. Use what you like, but this is not going to last long anyway. And there we have it, rich, creamy, delicious homemade Baileys that you can share with your friends and family, and I promise it's not going to last long. Cheers. Until next time.